Today, I'm making a macrame yoga mat strap. Some assembly required. I have another macrame project today. That's cool. You can never have too much macrame. For dance class, Lily needs to bring her own yoga mat because, they stay in the one spot and the yoga mat keeps it all defined. Now, I don't know if you've ever seen a kid try to carry a rolled up yoga mat, but it's not necessarily the neatest experience. So I said, I could go buy a yoga mat strap, but couldn't I make one? I bet I could. So of course, I have to try. Now, I have already made a tiny little sample just for a pattern approval, if you will. I'm using a half hitch knot, sort of a chevron pattern. I'm pretty sure this is how you make those cool chevron friendship bracelets. I never made them like that. If you didn't make them this way, you totally could. And then what I did is I used math. I used an actual honest-to-God ratio to figure out how much cord I needed. Because if you have watched this channel before, you know that I have no idea. And I always use way too much and it's all trailing everywhere. But this time, I made a sample and I used some math to figure it out. So let me tell you, I used some extra scrap cord from the last project, folded over, it was 17 inches long. And then I said, kind of measure. I decided that the whole entire thing should be about 48 inches long so that there's plenty of room for tightening and loosening. And so I just multiplied it out and discovered that I needed, legit, no joke, 40 feet of cord. Which is hilarious. It's a good thing that I used the math because I never would have expected that it was 40 feet of cord. So I have cut that already. And I saved you from watching me do that because I was basically pulling cord all over the house, which was very exciting, but just imagine it. It's better that way. So I guess I will get started. I'm using 3 pieces of 40-foot cord. Now, folded in half, it's just 20 feet, so that makes way more sense. And 2 little metal circles for the part that tightens up. And that's it. So let's get started. Lily and I have come upstairs to escape from the loud steam cleaner that's down there. So first what I'm going to do is attach my cords using lark's head knots. So instead of pulling the 20 feet of cord through, I'm gonna just do it this way, which will be way easier. See if I can do them all. Same way. I can't. Oh, that's too bad. All right, I'll do it this way. All right, all of my long lengths of cord are taped into nice little bundles. So that will definitely make my knots harder, but at least it will not be tangling into obnoxious knots all the way down the length of my cord. So now I just have to find a place to stick that and I will be ready to go. I'm starting with a square knot with the 4 cords in the middle, just to start that V shape going. And then after that, all I do is half hitch knots on the left and then on the right and over and over and over until I'm finished. Simple and straightforward, but it's gonna take a long time. It's getting dark up here. Time for a change of scenery. Maybe somewhere a little more comfortable next time. Here's what it looks like in progress. Kind of like a creepy squid or something. Okay, how about one last change of scenery? I like to move around. I can finally undo my tape bundles. I'm getting to the end. I couldn't really decide exactly how to finish it, so I just picked away. I did some square knots on both sides just to sort of even everything out, and then I attached it to the ring with cow hitch knots, which are just lark's head knots but tied without the loop. And then I'm doing a wrap knot to keep everything together. Yay, it's so cute! I finished it, and would you believe it? It came out the right length. I know, I'm pretty surprised myself. So, let's test it and see if it works. Oh, tester! Only one person needs to be able to do this, and it's not me. Hello, darling.
Yes?
Come have a seat. Here we have the super duper lovely one-of-a-kind yoga mat strap holder extraordinaire. Isn't it nice to be appreciated, isn't it? So what is going to happen is we're going to loop that one and loop this one. So basically what we're doing is making 2 loops. I just happen to have your yoga mat right here. Isn't that convenient? So, let's see if you can do it.
What if I don't get to roll it up the right way? Like, what if I roll it up too big?
I think that you probably won't roll it too much bigger than this. I feel like this is fairly standard. So, you tighten that one up by pulling it sort of close. Tighten this one up. You can move it down a little bit. Pull it sort of close. Doesn't have to be like ultra tight. Ta-da! Success! I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just gonna hold it tight while you walk to the car. That's not bad! I'm kind of impressed. Goodbye. See you after class.
Bye.
I'm impressed. That worked out, and it feels kind of nice. It's a good feeling, right? She's gone. It's a comfortable feeling on your hands, so that is pretty great.
Totally works.
It does totally work. I'm also surprised. Hey, thanks! So if you need to make a yoga mat strap, macrame. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you like this kind of video and you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? You can do that underneath the video down there. And you can click the notification button so that you can hear every single time that new videos come out. They come out on Tuesdays.
And Saturdays.
And you don't want to miss them, because they are fantastic. Until the next video, we will be here crafting and creating, and some of us will be also going to school. But until then, you guys be awesome, and we will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye!